Got about a 2-hour drive up to Lake Placid. Little mountain biking thing. It's a little like a Red Bull thing. So we'll see how that goes. Oh yeah. I like how ours are always the quickest ones to make, but they fucking...
I know.
Dude, that one girl's took like 30 minutes to make that freaking pumpkin nutsack moose dick.
Yeah.
Fucking whatever she got.
Which one's gonna work?
And this one.
Daniel and Adam.
We got
nice.
the lift.
Nice.
We need the lift up here or the...
Do you need to buy lift tickets?
I got them.
Oh, you have them. Okay, so you're gonna go through security, and then there's a blue table underneath the white face sign. The ladies are gonna give you a wristband. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
And that'll get you on the lift.
All right, awesome.
Okay,
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Made it in.
Oh, Adam, they got coffee. There's probably some around here.
Where'd you guys get?
Question for you. You just take it.
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, this is fucking sweet.
Yeah, we're always ripping these cool side missions.
She could have put this on a little tighter. I like to move around. Dude, look at the size of that jump. There's no way they're hitting that.
Oh, they definitely
Oh my god. That's crazy. How's it going, boss?
Pretty good. How are you today?
Good. See you later.
Yep. Have a good day.
Another side mission for T&D. Dude, those things move.
Oh, they got the people with all their bikes right there.
Yeah. That's why I like this tripod. It's the
Yeah, you
fucking
can
rat.
do whatever with it. Little rat tail.
Look at this guy fucking in the grass.
Go get him, killer.
No one else got the lift ticket, I see. I would like to be paused right here when they come around. Look at this guy.
As soon as you turn your back, you disappear in the trees.
That's a big gap. Dude, look how far up the gondola goes. Holy shit. How high are we going?
Probably all the way.
Oh! Wrong lift. God damn it. That one starts right there, though.
I know. That's what I was thinking. There's got to be another one.
There's like, everyone's like, look at these idiots getting on this shitty fucking lift. Oh, they're just kids. They can do it. I can do it. Okay, there's Lou. Dude, that looks crazy. Imagine we had this in our backyard. Oh, here they come. Yeah, he was only there for 1 second. Oh.
Yeah, in case they want to fact check us, man.
We should come here to snowboard this summer, winter. Dude.
Bless you.
Oh yeah, they're right here. That's second jump. They fly. Dude, that jump is way bigger than I thought it was.
This is a full-on spectator-friendly course. It is amazing for our first view of it. Can't wait to see the riders coming down and racing. Got me hooked with my
Dude, they're moving.
spectator. Back in 1999 at Snow Summit, I got to watch my childhood icons, Missy Jovi and Sean Palmer, get gold medals that weekend.
How come when we were up there it seemed like a 2-foot jump that we could do? Then we come down here and it's that big.
And we're like, nope, never mind.
But it looks so smooth.
Can't get away. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of being.
Dude, he made it look like nothing. It's like when we hit a 1-foot jump. Fucking London broiled peppers and onions. Yeah.
Lake City with like Chipotle with a Coors Light. So maybe with a Coors. Look how fat that is, man. Car sick. This thing is moving. All solid rock too at the bottom. It's not like mud.
I'll show you some mud.
Keep away from a runaround sewer.
Legacy Lodge. Hey, you boys want a beer? Yep. Oh, it's gonna suck to walk up. Oh, shit. Why did that not look that steep? Hey, there's a ton of people here. Let's dude, they're moving. He's gonna take a spill. I know.
Not me. 6,200 steps so far.
That's literally not true. Maybe 1,000.
That's what it's saying.
Oh, it's because we took the lift. Suddenly Daniel's not injured anymore. Look at him out on mission over there. He's moving.
You have to roll down the hill.
No more drinks.
Nice and AC, huh? What'd you get? Warm? Oh, I was gonna say, what the? Double cup.
Look at this.
Dude, why are your soles like that?
Because I was going down.
Ooh.
Now that's some serious hanging 10.
Who the hell brought this guy? I'm gonna get a fucking bite of that. Oh, that's actually fucking good.
Dude, this fucking tourist. Put it on. It'll look cool. Double capping and getting sunburned for me. Oh, that fucking smells like death.
It smells like shit.
Oh, wow. Chicken. Fuck it. Let's see where this goes. I just sink.
Our first water fossil.
I turn the camera on and start laughing instantly. Dude. Literally right on the side of the road, a little trail we just went to. It's kind of muddy right there. Oh, that was so low.